Hey, I'm Kaya Wright. Now many of you guys may have known me to work with tons of celebrities, but today I'm gonna answer some of your most frequent questions. I'm gonna be like your hair fairy godmother today. A lot of you ladies leave the salon, and the first question you ask me is, what do I do when I go to bed?
I love my hair, but I wish I knew what to do with it before bed.
Your wish is my command. Now what do you want to do?
I just want to keep this nice wave.
Alright, so there's 3 simple things that you need, and you have them all here. A brush, some bobby pins, and a silk scarf. These things will take you to the morning and get you ready for work. So basically what you want to do is section your hair down the middle. You want equal parts on both sides. If you want a little bit more volume, you can do 3 parts. But in this case, you want it loose and bodyful, kind of like what you have right now. You want it easy. So I would take the hair, section it down in 2 parts. And what I would do is a double strand twist. Double strand twist is really easy. It's almost like a braid, but not with 3 parts, only with 2 parts. All right? I'm going to handle the first side, and I'm going to leave the second side for you. You want to make sure that you pull it nice and tight. And as you notice, you're not using 3 strands, you're using 2. And you really just want to take it along the ear, nice and tight to the hairline. You see? This isn't so hard, right?
Looks really easy.
Alright, you have a bobby pin, or if you don't have a bobby pin, you can use a rubber band. But in this case, you have your bobby pins, put it on the ends, and that's just to hold it so it won't unravel. And you can do the same on the other side. Make sure you get it nice and tight. You don't want to leave out any little frayways. It's perfect. You want to take this and you want to wrap it around like a little crown. And you want to pin this up on this side, and you want to take the other one and pin it on the other side. Nice and flat. Perfect. Take your scarf and you want to turn it into 3 corners. Wrap your hair nice and tight, and voila, you're cute for bed. If you need anything else, don't be afraid to call.
Thanks, fairy godmother.